So we're out here at the MI Drift event. Finally going to be doing some testing on the Mustang. And we got a driver's meeting to go through in a bit here and then go hit the track. But we're out at Auto City Speedway in Clio. So been to this track a bunch in the past. Haven't been here in a couple years though. So just honestly glad to finally get to drive the car out on track again. So do some last minute checks and then hit the track with it.
Good addition. We're definitely we're not running too hot. Oil temps are a little bit hot. IATs are obviously climbing. It is really hot out today though, so kind of to be expected, I guess. Yeah, no, you're good. Okay. For real, this car fucks. I'm impressed. Works pretty good.
I just think it's fucking hilarious that he showed up with this. The next car out here on the fucking grid is like 400 less horsepower.
It's fun. It's actually running really, really good too.
Sounds like it.
I'm gonna let it cool down. I'm done until next session. Oil temps are getting
better now with the heat cycle.
Yeah, I don't know why these ones are lasting. I mean, that tire's done. So like,
oh yeah, you're right.
they're still done.
Yeah, you got one more.
No, I don't.
Just send it.
No, I don't. I definitely don't. It's dead. So basically we ran the car all day today and didn't really have any issues. Tire wear on the car is still 2 laps a set. Surprisingly, I've been trying to get rid of my old ATR Sport tubes that I had from last year, and they actually didn't delam. Now, I don't know why. Maybe it's track conditions. Wheel speeds were definitely just as high as they were at Speed Ring, but I mean, some of those were heat cycled too, so that might have something to do with it. But that being said, the grip level was still not very good at all. Now, as for the car running, the car ran really good. So the highest temps got were about 220, 230. And then the nice thing about the cooling system on this, it's electric water pump and electric radiator fans. So I can shut the motor off and cycle the coolant while the motor is off, and it helps drop temps really fast. So within 2 minutes, the motor's back down to like 170, and then we're ready to go again. One thing I did do today is I finally christened the bodywork on this car. So we did give it a little bit of a love tap on the wall. But, you know, this thing's been clean enough for too long, so it kind of had it coming. Is what it is. A little bit of a tail light there, too. But, I mean, it didn't, like, collapse. Everything still lines up good. I mean, this quarter panel never really lined up. This has always kind of been like this. I do need to put a new support back up in here. But the taillight design, the way I designed everything to kind of like move around, it worked just as it was supposed to. So stoked on that. Car runs great. Probably go back home, change plugs, change oil, and it's ready to go again. Fuel and tires, that's all we did all weekend. Actually, we didn't even add fuel. I still got 10 gallons of fuel left. Alrighty, so we're back home. Car's unloaded, fired up, drove it on the trailer, drove it off the trailer. Nothing but fuel and tires, like I said. Except, like I said, we didn't even use fuel. Went through about 10 sets of tires. Or 10 tires, not 10 sets. 5 sets. But car ran great. And I'm just stoked to get back out there and drive again soon. So, like the video if you liked it. Try and get more content like this out there. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And until the next one, I'll catch you guys later.